I'm thirsty. This movie shouldn't be in black and white. I'll have a Fanta. Help! Help! People just leave a mess wherever they go. Oh my God! Security! Security! The vending machine ate a person. It's right over there. Well, it was there a second ago. If we don't stop it, it's going to kill more people. Whoa! Evacuate the airport, everybody! There's a killer vending machine! Die, you hunk of metal! Start the plane! Start the plane! We need help. A vending machine is on a killing rampage. I'll call the airport police. Officer, there's a killer vending machine. I know. We need to call the elevator resistance. Captain, there is a distress call coming from the airport. They say there's a killer vending machine. Everybody listen up. To kill this thing, we're going to have to arm ourselves. We need to kill this vending menace. Move out! We are reporting live from the Lego Airport, where the elevator resistance has set up troops to confront a vending machine that went on a killing rampage. Fire at my mark. The enemy is in my sights. Locked and loaded. Looks like the vending machine has some friends. Weapons at the ready. Aim! Open fire at my mark. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open fire! Our weapons don't hurt them. We need help. Call in the animator.